Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Julie. Today I'm gonna do a quick video for you guys. It's just me reviewing the new Dior Rosy Glow blush. I had these blushes for probably about 2 weeks, but I was trying to find out whether or not the pink one that I originally had that I love so much was a different formula. So if you guys are interested in knowing the answer to that question, you'll stay tuned for the video, I hope. I've been wanting to try these blushes for you guys since I got them. So hopefully you're interested in seeing my quick swatch and review of these blushes. I'm going to swatch them on my arm and I'm going to try them on my face. So let's get started guys, because this is going to be a very quick video. Dior came out with, I want to say 6 new Rosy Glow blushes, and they still had the pink one, which was the 001, and they still had the peach color. So I was like, oh okay, maybe it's still the same, but it's not. It has the same name, but the formulation is different, and they actually took the talc out of the old formula, which is a good thing. These Rosy Glow blushes retail for $40. All of the blushes say that it's a new product. So I was like, what's new about it? Like, what's different? So it says the iconic Rosy Glow blush has been reinvented in a new formula that blends seamlessly with the skin to flush cheeks with an instant healthy glow. This powder blush reacts with the skin's pH and moisture level upon application, resulting in a long-lasting, customized color. Skin remains fresh and radiant all day long. It's an ultra-fine, lightweight texture, glides on and melts into the skin, naturally blending for results that can be built up to your liking and a weightless second skin feel. Dior has expanded its Backstage Rosy Glow blush palette with 4 new shades to better accommodate a wide variety of skin types while creating a perfect color match and healthy glow. Okay, so they definitely changed the formula, and the colors, although they say it's the same because they still have the peach and the pink. I wish I would have known that, because I would have ordered all 6, but I only got my hands on 4 of them. So we're gonna try those 4 and we're gonna swatch them. But when I'm looking at the formula, it looks like the difference is that these new blushes do not have talc in them. The other ones did. Because when you look at the ingredients, it's basically very similar ingredients in it, but talc, which was the #1 ingredient, is not in it anymore, which is a good thing. The natural color of the cheeks and the cheekbones is enhanced for an instant healthy glow and all-day radiance. So I'm going to show you the 4 that I purchased, and then we're going to go from there. So this is the Dior Rosy Glow packaging. That's what it looks like. And I have, okay, cherry, berry, mahogany, and coral. Because I think coral is actually the peach one, and I never had that one before. I'm going to do a swatch on my arm and show you guys what they look like, and then I'm going to try it on my face. We're going to go from there. So this one is the color cherry. It's a beautiful, like, kind of reddish orange kind of color. So I'm just going to swatch it. And these blushes are very nicely pigmented. They're very expensive, but you're paying for the Dior name, and hopefully it's giving you a great product, because so far the best blushes that I've purchased are the Lady Gaga House Labs blushes. Like, I love the formula of the blushes, the packaging, and the way that they look on the skin. They're gorgeous. Dior blushes are 0.15 ounces. I'm gonna tell you what the House Labs is, how much product you get in there, because they're like $38. Okay, this one is the color Mahogany, which is a nice chocolatey brown. I just don't know what I'm gonna do with this one, but I'm gonna put it up here. Oh, do you see that color? It's freaking gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay. It kind of gives you a bruised look. It kind of looks a little bruised, but that's okay. Then we have the coral. Okay, so this one is the peach color. It's beautiful. It's very, very light, and I don't know if it's going to show up on us darker skin tones, but I love a good peachy blush. That's kind of light. We're going to see how that looks, because, ugh. Let me swatch it one more time. It's very, very light. Okay, it might do something. We're gonna see. If not, it's going back to the store. And I ordered them, I think, from Dior. Did I order them from Dior? Yeah, I think I ordered them from Dior. Okay, and this one is the Dior Rosy Glow Berry. That's a pretty color. I love purple. Yellow and purple are like my two favorite colors. Okay. So it's like this one is a nice fall color as well as this one. This one may be something that I could wear now. So we're going to try them on, and I'm gonna try probably one color or two colors on this side and then two colors on this side, so I don't have to wash all of this makeup off like every time I'm trying a new one. I do have some fresh brushes, so let me get them and then I will come back because I don't want to use the same brush dipping into the blushes. Okay, so I think you could see I have a little bit of bronzer and a slight bit of blush here. I tried to cover it up. I didn't want to go in and take my makeup completely off, so I'm not really cheating. I just know that it's a lot of work to just take it off and put it on a full face. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna try the cherry one first because it's beautiful. These are 4 brushes that we're gonna be using. Okay, so we're gonna go in, we're gonna put this one on this cheek here. I'm just gonna dip in and just try it and see what we can see. Oh, I see that one already. Do you see that? And it's actually very pretty on the skin. I'm loving that. So pretty. Okay. You know, I like a lot of blush, but this is pretty wonderful. This is what it looks like. So, and it definitely can be built up. Oh yeah. Oh, I love that. That is so pretty. Okay. So this one is definitely a keep-up. I'm loving this beautiful cherry color blush. It's gorgeous. Let me show you again. Like, it's nice. It just looks really pretty on the skin. Okay, love that one. All right, I'm getting excited because you know I love a good blush. Okay, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna try this Dior Rosy Glow Coral. I'm gonna take this brush, which is our JH04 brush. I'm gonna dip it in and we're just gonna put it on our cheeks. You know what, like I really want to not like some of these blushes because they're so expensive, but this is freaking gorgeous. It's so gorgeous and natural looking on the skin. Do you see that? I like it. It's very subtle, but it can be built up and I love it. So pretty. And another thing that I'm loving about it is, do you see how it's not accentuating the pores on my face? It's just beautiful. Have you guys tried any of these blushes? I mean, it takes a lot of building up, but it just looks beautiful on the skin. And it has like a glow. It does have a glow to it. Very nice. Okay, very nice. All right, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna cover up what I have here, repowder, and come back and try the other 2 colors. But so far, I'm impressed. Now, one thing I'm looking at is, do they look kind of similar? Like this one is more of a reddy tone. I think that this one is beautiful. I can't even describe the color, but it's beautiful on the skin. It looks kind of, I guess I see the peach, but I see, I don't know. I'll be able to see it better once I look at the footage, but right now I'm loving both colors. They look gorgeous on the skin. I just want to say that because I was looking at them before I wiped them off, and this one is definitely a nice reddish, like a rouge. It reminds me of rouge back in the days, but it's beautiful. And this one is just as gorgeous, and I didn't think that I would like that light one and it wouldn't show up, but it's not more, it's more, you see the peach undertone, but it does have a rosy kind of look. I'm impressed. Okay. All right, let's go on to the other 2 now. Okay, I'm back. And hopefully everything is looking like it did when I left. I've been wanting to try this one. This is the color Mahogany, the brown color. I want to see what it's going to do on my face because it's so much like my skin color. It's definitely very pigmented. I definitely think that it's something that I would wear because it looks pretty. Like, do you see that? It just, I don't know. I could see this with a nice highlighter. That's kind of gorgeous. No, it really is. I could definitely see it with a highlighter. I didn't think a mahogany blush would do it for me, but like, I'm loving it. It looks so, so pretty. Look at the difference. Gorgeous. I did not want to like this. It's so pretty. And it's like a, I don't know, like a chocolatey color, but a rosy chocolatey color. And it just looks so pretty, and it just really stands out on the cheek. And you could also use this as a bronzer. Okay. so far 3 out of 4 is looking really good. All right, now we're gonna try our last one, which is the Dior Berry. Pretty purpley color. To me, like, I think, look at that. Oh, I wanted to show you what the brush looked like. This is the one I just used. I mean, yeah, that's the blush on that brush. Okay, so this one is purple. It's called Berry, and it's gorgeous. Dang, I didn't want to like them. Like, I didn't want to like every one of them, but they just are so pretty. This one is definitely okay, they're gorgeous. And I didn't think I needed another blush. I was like, I don't need another blush. But beautiful. Beautiful and pigmented. Let's see how, because you don't want it too dark, but you can see that it is definitely pigmented. Like, I can't wait to use this on my face. And what I like about these colors is they all have a glow, like an undertone of a glow. These blushes are freaking gorgeous. They really, really are. Now, I'm gonna go in and show you the difference in how, even that peach one, the way that this pink, which I love, the way it showed up. Like, I'm gonna have to go and buy the pink one, and I didn't want to because I just didn't want to. All right, I'm gonna use this brush right here. This is a JH08 brush. I'm gonna use that one. Do you see this? How pretty it looks on the cheeks? It's gorgeous. I love it. I think they look so pretty. Okay, so this is the pink one. I'm gonna put that here on my nose, just so you could see. It does show up. It does show up, but you don't really see it like that. Like, I'm gonna. It's definitely, if you look at the difference, and this one is a drier formula. This is the old one, but the formula is drier. Although you can see it, it's drier. Okay, so my final thoughts on these 4 colors. I didn't think I was gonna like all of them, but they are all simply gorgeous on the skin. And I don't know how you are about blushes, and I know $40 is a lot for a blush, but these blushes are very pigmented, very beautiful and smooth on the skin. Just look at how my cheeks look so beautiful and smooth. I really can't wait to use these blushes in a video. I love them. I love blush, but I love these. I didn't want to like them, but I love them already. They're just different. The colors are different. This purple is really purple, really deep, but beautiful. It's not clown purple, it's gorgeousness. This brown, I was like, what do I need a brown blush for? But it's beautiful on my brown skin. I did not think I would like it. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. These are my 4 swatches. I showed you all 4 of the colors, plus the pink one, which is gorgeous itself. It's beautiful. I love them all. The formula is great. I just love the Dior. Actually, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna get the Dior powder that I have that's dark, and I'm gonna try it on as a contour. And we're gonna see how that powder, I don't know if you guys remember me saying a couple weeks ago that I purchased some backup of the Dior Backstage powders. It was this powder. This is one of my favorite finishing powders, and I purchased it in a darker color, which is 9. I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna use that as a contour, and that will be me reviewing that as well. It was just about the color, because I already know I like the formula. So let me get that powder, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I'm back with this Dior Backstage powder, and this is in the color 9N. When I purchased the other 2 powders in the color 6N, because I felt like they were going to, I don't know, reformulate. But now I'm thinking that they're probably going to take the talc out of this powder as well and just reformulate it. So maybe I should have waited. But sometimes when you wait for them to change the formula, it's not the same. So let me just see real fast if this has the talc in it. Okay, this one says mica. Okay, so that's probably a good thing. Okay, so anyway, this is what the color looks like. I don't know, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna use one of these new brushes that I have here. This is the Morphe R45 brush, and I'm gonna bronze with this. So I'm gonna take this. I just love the texture of the powder, and I'm just gonna try to bronze with it and see what it's doing. I think it looks good. I just love the sheen. Do you see the sheen that powder leaves on the skin? So this is the cheek without it, and this is the cheek with it. Of course, I have two different color blushes on, but I'm just gonna try it because I think that this would be a great bronzer. When I bought this 9, I was like, oh, I think I can bronze with this. It's just beautiful. It's either a bronzer or a contour, depending on the color makeup that I'm wearing. I think it's beautiful. I think it is. Okay, so it's definitely a dark color. I'm gonna swatch it so you guys can see what it looks like. That's it. It's really, although it's a dark color, you see the sheen that it leaves. It's definitely doing something beautiful on the skin. It's kind of like a, I don't know, like a gray, ashy kind of color. We're gonna have to see. I'm gonna have to see it with different makeup because I have a lot going on my cheeks right now, but I mean, I have it, so I'm gonna make use of it. All right, guys, that's it for the video. I hope that you loved it. If you're still here and you have not subscribed yet, I hope that you do subscribe. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of these blushes. Let me know what you think of this powder. Do you see it on my face? Is it chocolate gorgeousness? Because that's what it looks like to me. It does have like a gray undertone, but I think it's beautiful on the skin. And those are the 4 new colors. Actually, I'm missing one of the colors because the peach was really not a new color. So let me see what color I'm missing. I'm not buying it. Okay, so it came out with cherry, which we have, berry, which we have, rosewood. Do we have rosewood? Berry, cherry, mahogany. Okay, we have berry, cherry, mahogany, and coral. So the rosewood color, which is this color, is the one that we don't have. And that one will probably show up more on my cheeks than the actual peach one. But we know that if this peach one showed up, that we know rosewood definitely will show up. So I can't wait to try the pink one because that's what the pink looks like. And I'm sure it's very close to this one. You can't really tell. I'm gonna hold them up side by side, but you can't really tell. Yeah, this one looks like it might be a deeper tone to me. I mean, now you know I'm gonna have to go to the store and get it. I think they're in store now. And I just wanted to tell you guys one more thing. I wanted to tell you the amount of product that you get in these blushes from Haus Labs, because I love these Haus Labs blushes. Okay, so theirs is more. You get 0.39 ounces. So to me, like, Haus Labs has beautiful, beautiful blushes. And these Dior blushes are gorgeous as well. They look beautiful on the skin, but they are $2 more and less product. Haus Labs is almost double the size. Actually, it is double the size because this is 0.15 grams. You're getting 0.39 grams, so you're getting almost 3 times the amount of blush than you're getting in this Dior. So if you had to purchase a blush, it's your decision. I like them. I think they're beautiful, and you're definitely gonna see them again. Okay, guys, so that is it. And again, like I was saying, if you are not subscribed to the channel and you like this video and you like what you see from me, please subscribe to the channel. Also, leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts on this blush. Do you think it's a keeper? Will you purchase any of these blushes? And also, give the video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure your notifications are on so you're notified every time that I upload a video. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Okay. Later, guys.